Sometimes our expansion problems don't ask us to expand the entire polynomial, they ask us, or the entire binomial, they just ask us for a specific term. Now there's a couple ways to do it. I still like to use the chart method. However, I may not use the complete chart. In this case, since they ask for the fourth term, I'm only going to go to the fourth column. That's all I care about. But I like this method, so I'm going to stick with using the chart. So top row of my chart is going to be my numbers from Pascal's triangle. Because I'm raising to the 8th power, I'm going to look at row 8 in my notes. I can see that's 1, 8, 28, 56, and it goes on from there. But remember, I don't care about anything else. I'm just stopping at row 4, or column 4 in here. So I don't care about the rest of this. Next up, in row 2 in my chart, I'm going to use find that first term in parentheses starting from the highest power, so 5a to the 8th, and then working my way down, so that would be to the 7th, to the 6th. Again, the only one I care about is this one over here, 5a to the 5th power. So that's the only one I care about. This goes on, but I don't care about it. And then that bottom row is going to be the last term, starting from nothing. Don't forget to start from nothing. It's negative 3b to the 0, which is just 1, and multiplying by 1 doesn't matter. And then it increases from there. So the first power, the second power, and so right here would be the third power. Now be very careful, remember to include parentheses and take note of that negative sign. Negative 3 to the third power is going to result in something negative. So this term right here, the fourth term, will be negative. All of that stuff needs to be multiplied together to find out what this term is. So definitely using a calculator, I want to multiply 56 times 5 to the 5th power. I have to remember to distribute those exponents, and then also multiply by negative 3 to the 3rd power. Now I'm going to include parentheses. I've made a mental note that I know my answer needs to be negative, so just in case I forget the parentheses or something, or forget the negative, I know that my answer should be negative. So multiplying all that together gets me a huge coefficient. Negative 4,725,000 is my coefficient, and then for my variables, that's going to be a to the 5th power and b to the 3rd power. So I don't know what the whole expansion is. I'm glad they did not ask me to expand the whole thing, but that will be the fourth term in the expansion.